The Road Departure Mitigation System, RDM, is designed to enhance driver confidence by helping to keep your vehicle from unintentionally drifting over detected lane markings. RDM uses a windshield-mounted camera to detect lane markings and employs the electric power steering to help prevent the vehicle from leaving the detected lane. If the vehicle starts to leave the detected lane, a lane departure alert will appear in the instrument panel and the steering wheel will vibrate. The system can also apply the brakes if it determines that steering input alone won't keep the vehicle on the roadway, as long as there are solid lane lines at the edge of the road. For the system to operate, the vehicle must be traveling between 45 and 90 miles per hour on straight or slightly curved roads. Lane markings have been detected, and neither the brake pedal, a turn signal, nor the windshield wipers are being used. You can customize the operation of RDM. Start with the ignition on and the transmission in park. Press the home button on the steering wheel. Then press the up and down arrows until settings is highlighted in the driver information interface. Press the enter button. Press the up and down arrows to highlight vehicle customization and press enter. Then use the arrow buttons to find driver assist system setup and press enter. Press the up and down arrows to highlight road departure mitigation setting and press enter. Now you can scroll with the up and down arrows through your choices: normal, wide, or warning only. Choosing wide changes the point at which the system begins steering input, and selecting warning only will maintain the visual and tactile alerts while preventing the system from operating the steering or brakes. When your desired setting is displayed, press enter to select it. Now, scroll with the up and down arrows until you see exit and press enter. And to leave the customization area entirely, just press the home button. To turn RDM on or off, press the RDM button to the left of the steering column. It's important to note that RDM may not detect all lane markings or lane departures. Accuracy will vary based on weather, speed, and lane marker condition. It is always your responsibility to safely operate the vehicle and avoid collisions. Please see your owner's manual for all RDM conditions and limitations.